on last Friday and they came today. So today I'm going to give my 100% honest review on Snoop Slimes if they're worth it. Here's all that came in the package. First, this is the letter. That's the logo. It says, "Thank you for ordering. We hope you enjoy your slimes, Snoop Slimes." That's a really nice card. That's what it looks like. And then it comes with this cool little package. And it comes with some borax to mix it in. It comes in like with some candy, like their business card, and in the slime care guide. And they include the borax because sometimes when the climate changes, like the slime just, again, so you have to reactivate the slime. Then, they were so nice, they signed it with a squishy. It's kind of slow rising, is she fast rising? Guys, it's a heart for Valentine's Day. Okay, let's get opening these slimes. I can't wait. Okay guys, the first one that we're going to do is emerald. Emerald is just a fishbowl slime. So let's get it out and see how it is. Since it's a cold climate here, it was a little bit sticky, but now we're mixing it and it's really good. So I'm not going to be judging on the weather because the weather is like just... This is pretty good slime. We reactivated it a little bit, so now let's go on to the next one. Oh guys, and I have to say, this smells amazing. It smells good. We did have to reactivate it because it was just a little bit sticky because of the cold weather here right now. It's really cold right here. So on to the next one. Next we're going to do ducks in the pond. Or ducks in a pond. Okay. Guys, for me poking it, that seems really good. Guys, look at the little ducks in it. And it looks like, guys, it's really good. We didn't have to reactivate it at all. So that's really good. And guys, it's still in it. Looks like the water. Guys, look how clear it is. It pops when you do that. Let's try poking it. Let's go on to the next one. Now we're going to do frozen lemonade. Let's get opening it. Okay guys, here's what it looks like, and it's like not even at all sticky. And it's scented. It smells so good. And it comes with a charm. It's still, the charm's in there, but when we get it out, we'll take it out and show you guys. So let's take it out. And guys, we just got to mix in this pink glitter. This is really good slime, guys. It's like it has like a sandy texture. Found it. Guys, it's a little lemon. It's so cute. Here's the leaf. Those are cute charms. That's a good swirler. Oh. Oh. Swirl. Let's go on to the next one. Okay guys, it's the last slime that we ordered, cookies and cream, and this is a butter slime. So let's get opening it. Oh my gosh guys, this is also scented. It smells like cookies and cream. It smells so good. And we're also going to try to use one of our actual butter knives to spread it out like butter slime. Whoa guys. This slime is so soft. And like when it gets stuck, it just, you take it right back off. I'm gonna try to do something really quick. Okay guys, let's try to spread it with the knife now. Whoa guys. Guys, let's poke it. Guys, this is a really good slime. Okay guys, so I'm gonna pick my favorite. Now, my two favorites were the cookies and cream and the frozen lemonade. They were really good, and don't get me wrong, these two were good too. The only problem was that Emerald was just a little bit sticky, but I still liked it. But for my favorites, I'm gonna say these two, because they're really good and like it's really good consistency, and like this one was really soft, and this one was, yeah, they're just both great. So I would absolutely recommend this to anybody. I think it's really cool because like the slimes, they come as like they say they would. Like it comes with a bunch of stuff, and I really like that it comes with like if it turns into like putty, you just put like 2 pumps or 1 pump of lotion or like all of that. Like I think that's really cool. So then I think it helps you out. Then you have some directions. I think it's cool that it comes with a little package of borax and all that stuff. So I would definitely recommend this to somebody who is like who loves slime. I would definitely order from it again. And make sure if you guys want to order it, make sure you guys act fast because it sells out like just so fast. And it restocks every Friday at 8 o'clock. Just go fast because then it's like done. And you can get tons of different slimes, but I just got the 4 and I'm happy. So hit that notification bell, give a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Bye!